Well, we got it in, guys. We went over to a local hobby shop. Well, it's not really local, but it's local to me. It's one of the closest ones around. It's Adventure Time Hobbies. They happen to have a kit. It's it looks like it's not the one everybody else has. It comes with a torque tune motor instead, so I'm not sure if it's any different. We'll just do a quick unbox of this. This is for our poor boy, the 2024 MF-01x chassis for the Poor Boys RC Speed Run Challenge. This is kit number 58650, and I'm interested to see what's going on inside. So boxes like that. It's gonna you're probably gonna see a bunch of these over the next couple weeks. So this is just a quick one. But we're getting set up here. We're gonna build it up quick. We got Winter's Evening's gonna be sending us the bearings. Urgenex is sending us some batteries. Might even get a couple batteries from CNHL to test out. They're a little higher C rated if we need a little extra push. Plan is to use one of our new motors that we got for the DTO2 brushed, I don't know. I think we're going brushed. I'm not sure yet, but I'm pretty sure that's the way we're going. Looks like there's a cool Beetle body. Oh, we also got some polycarbonate paint. It's a dark purple. We'll see how Spaz sticks. We'll sell that at Adventure Time. We'll get this painted up, all that good jazz on a separate video. But what we're looking to do here, no presentation obviously, it's just the normal. So there's our shocks and our black plastics. There's our red plastics. Like I said, I'm just going to fly through this. This is more just to kind of let you know this is where we're going. Poor boys, here we come. So I guess it starts in August. Once I get it built and get a test shakedown on it, we'll then upgrade chassis parts. It does have an ESC, and this is not a hobby wing, so this is older. This might be a Futaba. This might be an older kit. Yeah, anyway, whatever. So there's our gears and our torque tune. So pretty cool. And that's a nice heavy drive shaft. So all are inside their bag, 8 feet. The normal. There's our stickers. So yeah, if you guys aren't in, you should. This is a fun little run. These kits are about 160, 170 bucks right now. It's not bad. And he's got three divisions. The brushed, brushless, and then open. There's a bunch of rules about the brush and brushless. You have to keep the chassis pretty much stock. You got to use stock body. If you want to use any no 3D printed parts or any of that stuff, that's all open class. So we'll see. I haven't decided. We'll see how these new motors perform and get some test runs in before we pick which one we want to do. But anyways, you get the idea. There's our standard Tamiya instructions. Now this is somewhat of a modular chassis. I'm not familiar with it at all. I did get the MO-3 one. It looks similar. That we sold that one already, but I've never even really got to use it much. Just make sure it ran good. So this will be interesting. We'll get some good speeds going, and make sure you check out our sponsors, Winter Evening Bearings. So they're in the description. Urgenex batteries and CNHL, China Hobby Line, I think it is. Yeah, China Hobby Line. So, geez, can't be screwing that up. Anyways, old man brain is what I call it. Anyways, we'll get this going, and pretty excited. Won't be long, guys. I'll have this running by the weekend. So hopefully by Sunday, Monday, I'll get a test run on it. Maybe a build video over Sunday or something. Anyways, I'll see you when I see you. Hopefully you guys dig. Hey.